Hello, I'm Pratham, and today in this video we are going to learn about light and vision, and this is the part 1 of this video. So let's firstly learn about what is light. So light is the form of energy which helps us to see in our surroundings. So because of the light only we are able to see in our surroundings. Now let's learn about what is what are the characteristics of light. So light always travels in a straight path, and then it gets reflected from shiny surfaces, and the real image and the virtual image. The real image is the image which can be obtained on the screen, and the virtual which cannot be obtained on the screen. So now let's learn about reflection. So it is a phenomenon which occurs when light falls on shiny surfaces. So whenever a light falls on a shiny surface, then it gets reflected, it bounces back, or it gets thrown away, and this phenomenon is known as reflection. We can see our image in the mirror only because of the reflection only. The light is falling on the mirror, and then it is coming to our eye, and thus we are able to see the image in the same manner. Now there are two types of reflection: regular and irregular reflection. So firstly I will show you the regular reflection, and before that, this is the definition of reflection. It's bouncing back of light when it falls on shiny surfaces is known as reflection. Now let's learn about regular reflection. So it is a type of reflection in which a parallel beam of light gets reflected as a parallel beam of light only. Whenever a parallel beam strikes a surface, or we can say, for example, mirror, then it gets reflected as a parallel beam only, and the image formed is clear and smooth. So this is the definition of the regular reflection: type of reflection in which the parallel beam of light gets reflected as parallel beam of light only, and the parallel rays of light falls on surface, and the same rays gets reflected at the same angle, and the image formed is clear and smooth. And as the rays are parallel, due to this only, the image formed is clear and smooth. Otherwise we were not able to see the image properly, and that will be called as irregular reflection. And first, now let's learn about one more point, that it happens only when the reflecting surface, or we can say uh, the surface from which the at which the reflection is taking place is smooth or polished, we can say. So like a mirror is a smooth surface, that's why the reflection is taking place. Now let's learn about irregular diffuse reflection. So the irregular reflection is also called as diffuse reflection. Now let's learn about the definition: type of reflection in which the parallel beam of light doesn't get reflected as the parallel beam of light, and the rays of light scatters in different directions. So we are not able to see the image properly. The image formed in this case, in this type of reflection, is hazy or unclear, we can say, and we are not able to see the image properly. And it takes place from rough surfaces. Whenever the reflecting surface is rough, then the irregular reflection will take place, because the rays will not be reflected as a parallel beam. And it is also known as diffuse reflection. Now let's learn about the components of reflection. So here is the diagram showing different components: normal, incident ray, reflected ray, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and reflecting surface. So firstly let's know about what is reflecting surface. So reflecting surface is the surface on which the rays of light are striking, and on, or we can say that's the surface at which the reflection is taking place. Now let's learn about incident and reflected ray. So incident ray is the ray on which yeah, the incident ray is the ray which is falling on the reflecting surface, and the reflected ray is the ray which gets thrown away, which gets thrown back of the reflecting surface. We can say that it's the same as the incident ray, which is thrown back. Now let's learn about normal. It's perpendicular to the reflecting surface at the 90-degree angle, and it's an imaginary line. And wherever the point of incidence is there, the normal is an imaginary line which is kept at the 90-degree angle. Now we'll learn about the point of incidence afterwards. So firstly, the normal is the perpendicular to the reflecting surface, therefore at the 90-degree angle. Now let's learn about angle of incidence, the angle formed by the incident ray with the normal. So So whatever the angle will be there between the incident ray and the normal will be called as angle of incidence, and whatever the angle will be there between the reflected ray and the normal will be called as angle of reflection. And as I've already shown you that this is the angle of reflection and angle of incidence. As you can see, angle of reflection and angle of incidence. So let's learn more. Now let's learn about point of incidence. So as I have already told you that what is point of incidence, that is the point, I have already told you that the normal is the perpendicular line, an imaginary perpendicular line at the point of incidence. So what is point of incidence? The point of incidence is a point on the reflecting surface where the incident ray falls, is called as point of incidence. I have already told you about this, that the normal is at the point of incidence only. So where the point at the point where the incident ray is falling is called as point of incidence, and from this point only the reflected ray is thrown back, or the reflected ray comes out, or we can say the reflected ray originates. Now let's learn about laws of reflection. There are two laws of reflection. First is the angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection, and this only happens. These two laws are followed by the regular reflection. If regular reflection is taking place, then it must be following these two laws. And angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So we can say that angle I, that is incidence, and angle R, reflection. So angle I is equals to angle R. And the second law is incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal lies on the same plane at the point of incidence. So they are at the same level, at the same reflecting surface. They are, all the three are there. And now let's learn about multiple reflection. So it is a phenomenon which occurs when two mirrors are kept at certain angle, and in this case whenever we keep two mirrors at certain angles, in this case the more than one image is formed, and we can say this type of reflection is as multiple reflection. That's the phenomenon whenever the two more than one image is formed, more than one images, they can be two, three, and so on, whenever the mirrors are kept at certain angle. And one more thing, that whenever we increase the angle between the mirrors, the number of image formed decreases. And for formula for calculating the number of images formed due to the multiple reflection is n is equals to angle between the mirrors. We also know called this at theta, and divided by 360 minus 1. So here the n is the number of images. So whenever we want to find out the number of images formed, so we write the angle between the mirrors, whatever the angle we have taken between the two mirrors, and that is divided by 360, and then the answer is subtracted by 1, and then the answer which comes is are the number of images. Now let's learn about characteristics of image formed by plane mirror. So there are 5 characteristics. First, erect. Second, virtual. Then laterally inverted, of the same size of the object as the object, and at the same distance as the object. So firstly the image is erect, then virtual, and laterally inverted. So I have written what is lateral inversion. In the image formed by the plane mirror, the left and right sides gets reversed. And you may have seen whenever we keep a notebook at the front of the mirror, then we cannot read the words properly in the mirror because the lateral inversion takes place. The right and the left sides gets reversed, and due to which the image due to which we cannot read. And we also see that whenever we are standing at the front of the mirror and we are raising our right hand, then in the mirror it looks that we are raising our left hand. So this is called as lateral inversion. Left and right sides gets reversed. And laterally inverted image is the image which is formed due to the lateral inversion, and a laterally inverted image is formed in the case of plane mirror, and then of the same size as the object. So whatever the size of the object will be, the same size will be shown in the image formed, and at the same distance as the objects. So whatever the difference is there between the object and the mirror, the same distance will be shown in the image formed. Now let's learn about example of laterally inverted image. This is kind of that only. And now part 1 ends here, and in the next part we are going to learn about vision, our human eye, what is the structure and what are the functions, and different how the human eye works, and what are the diseases due to the vision. I mean, what are the diseases related to vision. So I hope you all have understood the part 1 completely, and if there is doubt you can comment me. And so subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video, and we'll meet in the second part. Thank you.